So we made it to China. Gonna watch sunrise in Beijing. My bags were completely ripped apart over a lighter that I apparently left in one of my jeans pockets. Travel tip, as I repack everything into this fucking bag I have here. If you're just traveling with a backpack like me and you have a decent amount of stuff in it, make sure you know what's in there, because one tiny little lighter stashed away can mean you have to unpack everything. And this is like travel Tetris. And then they took away my external charger because it didn't have any of the production information like actually written on the device. So I'm glad Pamela gave me a converter. Let's go see Beijing. They won't let me out of the airport. And that's Beijing, and I'm trapped in here. I'm bummed. I really wanted to go see Forbidden City and Tiananmen Square. Well, as we always say, you have to make your own fun. So let's have some fun. When can I leave this airport? Oh, thank you. I think it's genuinely hilarious that I can't use pretty much any social media here in China, but what I can use is Bumble and Tinder. And let me tell you, I am very popular on Beijing Bumble. So I just found the yoga room. I guess I'm gonna go do some yoga. Yoga probably wasn't the best idea given how drunk I am. I'll see you cunts in Japan.